You have a story in your head, but going from a blank page to a published webtoon feels impossible. Well, I just did it, and today I'm giving you my entire blueprint. Steal my resources, steal my process, and create your own webtoon. Let's break it down. Phase 1, the foundation. Plan everything on paper. First, get away from the screen. Grab a plain notebook. This is your Bible. Story and world. Write your first story. Define your themes. Sci-fi, drama, adventure. List your main characters and your special guests. Character building. Define their qualities, their vibe, introvert, extrovert, etc. Their clothing style and your key settings. Morning, evening, night. Color psychology. Lock this in early. Use blue for magic, green for daily life, red for anger, black for oppression, and white for peace. Storyboarding in the notebook. Finish your story writing and start storyboarding in a vertical scrolling format. Sketch rough panels, expressions, and hands. Don't make it perfect, make it clear. Save to digital doc. Type it all up and save it in a document like Google Docs. This is your master file. Now, let's bring those ideas to life with references. Phase 2. Asset collection, building your toolbox. This is where we find the visual fuel for our fire. 1. Visual inspiration gold mines. Pinterest is your best friend. Create secret boards for your webtoon. Search for character designs, aesthetic outfits, vintage clothing, cyberpunk vibes, whatever matches your story's look and your world's feel. Pin everything that inspires your character's look and your world's feel. Pixiv for dynamic art. For specific character poses and expressions, head to Pixiv. Japanese and Korean artists are masters of conveying emotion and action. Use these as a reference to understand how to draw a shocked face, a dynamic fighting pose, or a subtle romantic glance. 3D poses and environments. Character poses. Use Magic Pose or Pose Maniacs. Import the 3D model into Clip Studio and draw over it for perfect anatomy. 3D apps for realistic settings. Want to draw your character's bedroom, a cafe, or a sci-fi corridor? Use a free 3D home design app like Planner 5D, Room Styler, or even Sims 4. Model the room exactly how you imagine it, set the camera angle, and take a screenshot. Now you have a perfect perspective grid and lighting reference for your backgrounds. Fonts and brushes. Fonts. Go to Google Fonts. Download free fonts that match your story's tone. Brushes. Download free brushes from Clip Studio's Asset Store or Ibis Paint. Import them to speed up your work. Phase 3, production, drawing fast and efficiently. Now, with all your references ready, drawing becomes a breeze. Have your Pinterest board open for character vibes and clothing. Have your 3D house model screenshot as your background layer. Have your notebook storyboard guiding the action. You are no longer creating from scratch, you are assembling and translating your pre-planned vision. This is how you draw fast and consistently. Phase 4, publishing, launching your masterpiece. Export in high quality. Export your episode with the special export to WEBTOON feature in Clip Studio, 800 pixels wide, save as JPEG. Preserve quality on Google Drive. Upload the JPEGs to Google Drive to keep a high-quality backup. Upload to WEBTOON Canvas. Upload directly from Drive to WEBTOON Canvas. Create killer thumbnails. Design a thumbnail, then use an image compressor website to reduce its file size for WEBTOON's requirements. The launch and beyond. Publish on a schedule. Share on Instagram and other socials. Connect to Patreon or buy me a coffee for income once you have an audience. And that's the complete, updated roadmap. From a Pinterest mood board to a 3D modeled set, you now have the tools to build a professional-looking webtoon. Now go create something amazing. Let me know in the comments what your webtoon is about. See you in the next video.